set that there. Alright, I'm gonna show you what's in the bag. If my tackle boxes are in there. Alright. I got a thread in the bag. Sorry for the black screen, guys. I'm just gonna... Alright, this one doesn't have much, just my bobbers. This, oh, my fingers are in the camera, this thing, my triple tip grubs, you can see them, let me get the camera to focus on them, there, better, my hula popper and my other plastic baits. Some more of those worms I showed you. Alright, I'm gonna get dead worms and that thing. Now my big one. I probably don't have much. Let me see what I got. I have mosquito hooks. Flies. You try to get it. My flies. Hooks, of course. I have those. Another plastic bait. Crankbait, or I don't know what this is. Whatever you call it. Crawdad rubber bait. Earthworm. I call these tiger spotted ones. They're rubber bait. I call them tiger spots. Really old plastic bait. Another crawdad. Wait, let me get it on the camera. Another crawdad. Alright. More crawdads, of course. Because I go creek fishing. More crawdad. Yeah, I have my sputter buzz. Sorry everything's stuck together. I really don't take care of my stuff. Well, this thing is supposed to be my sputter buzz. My other rattler, shad rattler, for down in the creek. A lizard. Might try that down in the creek in my next video. Some other rubber baits. And all that kind of stuff. Alright. I usually keep like a spare pair of shorts in my bag. Some other rubber baits. Let me get them. Yeah, some other rubber baits. I don't know what's in this because it's my old one and I haven't used it in a while, so I have no idea if there's anything. Alright. This is old crap from like 8 years ago. So, yeah, not real much. Not much, just my old rubber bait. Little shad. Not much. This thing. About it. So, my plans for my channel aren't going to get big because I know it won't. But because I've tried on another channel, but yeah, me and a couple of friends are gonna try to make some videos for this channel, and these are usually what I get on my bites with some old trout bait. Sorry for putting my camera down. I have no mouth. Yeah, those are marshmallows. Alright. So, I guess that's that. I got these poles. My catfish poles that are tangled up. That's about it. So, that's all my fishing stuff. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you can, follow my friend, Wizard Caden. Well, wait, no, that's not his name anymore. What is it? Let me think. It's Exploring with Adam. Yeah, that's what it is. Alright. Thanks for watching, and bye.